Recycling old jewelry is something every jeweler needs to do, but platinum? It's tricky. The melting point is so high that most furnaces just can't handle it, or take forever to melt. That's why you should check out our dual-use induction melting furnace. Just swap the crucible, and you can melt both gold and platinum with one machine. It heats up to 2,600 degrees Celsius and melts 12 kilograms of gold or platinum in just 5 minutes. If this sounds like what your workshop needs, feel free to contact me.